If you've been craving old-fashioned rice pudding like Mom or Grandma used to make, then this recipe video is for you. Now, before we get started, I just wanted to go over a few things. I'm using a slow cooker, and that's really the only equipment you need other than a few measuring spoons, a whisk. I'm going to teach you how to temper eggs. Once this rice pudding has cooked, then we're going to temper egg yolks into the mixture. It's such an easy recipe. You're gonna love it. And as always, the ingredients, instructions, and timestamps are in the description below. So let's get started. Spray the inside of your cooker, and note that raisins are optional. Some people just don't like raisins in their rice pudding. So we're going to pour in the milk, add the sugar, and the Arborio rice, and just give it a little stir. Put the lid on and let it cook. Really easy, right? So this is a very important part. We're going to set the slow cooker, and we're going to select low. It's very important that you select low, because if you choose high, everything will cook too fast or too quickly, and you'll just end up with mush. And then we're going to set the slow cooker. I'm going to choose 3.5 hours. My recipe calls for 3.5 to 4 hours, but I know that this slow cooker runs hot. And if you know that about your own crock pot or slow cooker, then adjust your heat. Like I always say, you can go up, but you can't subtract time. So we're going to set this. Three and a half hours. You can see the rice pudding bubbling away, but now we're going to temper the egg yolks so that you can mix the egg yolks and not get scrambled eggs. That's very important. So just take out 1/2 cup of the rice pudding mixture and start to add it very slowly to the egg yolks, because the rice pudding mixture is hot. And if you like these tips and you're enjoying the recipe, please think about liking, subscribing, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any recipes. Now we're going to very slowly, and I mean very slowly, add in this egg yolk mixture into the rest of the rice pudding. This is what's going to thicken the rice pudding for you. And again, we don't want scrambled eggs. And I'm just showing you the whole process and not speeding it up, because this is a really important part. And then we add in a bit of vanilla, some cinnamon, and raisins. And if you like raisins, if you don't, leave them out. Give it a good stir, and then we're going to put the lid on and let it cook for another 15 minutes. Didn't that look amazing? And I've turned the slow cooker off now, and it's thickening right up. It's absolutely beautiful. So let's try some. You can see how thick that is. We'll just put a little bit in. Oh, we'll put a lot. Oh, I don't have a spoon. Now this is still pretty warm. We eat this for breakfast, just saying. So just a really easy recipe for you to make. It doesn't have to be the winter to enjoy slow cooker desserts at all. And it's perfect, actually. If it's warm, it's not a dessert that you have to turn the oven on for. Let's see what it tastes like. So good. Now, if you haven't scanned the QR code in the corner of the video, I hope you do. It will get you my free Ultimate Dessert Shortcut Guide. It's a great little guide that I put together, and it will get you to dessert a lot faster. Happy baking.